Well, I have to say this is probably one of my favorite developments in all of Tulum. And today I'm going to share with you a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,400 square foot ground floor unit in a development that has the most amazing amenities. Remember, if you're looking to invest anywhere in the Riviera Maya, I've created a free buyer's guide in the link below. With that being said, let's go check it out. This development does amazing on both short-term rental and long-term rentals. Not just because of its amenities and location, but because of the quality. Let's go check out the unit. All right, the unit's right behind me, and for this one, I'm gonna let the video do the talking. Let's go. Although I said the video would do most of the talking, I thought it was super important to let you know that this unit comes fully furnished. Everything you see here is included in the purchase price. So make sure to stay until the end where I reveal how much this unit goes for. See, I told you, no talking needed, but there's so much more that comes with this property. Let's go check out all the common amenities. One of the first things you notice in touring this development is the quality, not just in the unit, but also all of the common amenities. This main pool also features a 50-foot swim lane. Unfortunately, I was only able to see a couple of the 40+ amenities here, and that's simply because management wanted to protect the privacy of their guests. If you want to see all the amenities, you can reach out for a free buyer's guide or send me a WhatsApp or email. I forgot to mention there's also a full on-site spa. So now you can see why Aflora is one of my favorite developments in Tulum. Not only does it have an amazing location, you're so close to grocery stores, scooter rentals, bike rentals, shops, restaurants, you name it, it's within walking distance in this location. The quality is superb. The amenities are amazing and the price point is right. That 3-bedroom unit is listed at $699. If you want the full buyer's package as well as a free buyer's guide, I've created a link down below. Give it a click and I'll send it over to you. We'll see you on the next video.